clean it up, and then put in the pot, put in cold water. This is the radish leaf, and put in cold water, and put some, we will put some potatoes. Okay, 我开始煮了啊。Start the fire, put some onion, of course, and not too strong fire. Okay, now we also put some onion, so cold water, and the radish leaf, and potato, onion, cold water, and let it cook. Do not use too strong fire. It takes away. It has a very, time to say hello, hello, pepper, and salt, hello. Okay, put some salt and pepper. Do not use strong fire. You see, this is not so strong. If I can still put it much stronger, but we do not put it too strong, so the flavor slowly comes out. And this is, and this is, no, not thyme. And put some thyme. It needs time. This dish needs time. I mean time. Okay, it is boiling. I think I put the fire too strong. I slow it down, and after a few minutes we will blend it. Use a hand mixer, blend it. Take out that thyme. 你把它拿出来了吧? Yeah, we took out the thyme there. Start to blend it. It will be a little bit noisy. We should put a little bit more to the potato, but it's equally fine. The taste is good and cleaner. It's coming out, blended, and at the very end you can put some salt, pepper, and we put some truffle oil. Oh, totally changed, so good.